All right, this is deja vu all over again. We actually did this problem using Newton's method, and we also solved it, I believe, exactly a while back. Um, Number two, it's, looking at it, I mean, there's a trivial solution to it, but the bottom line is you're trying to figure out, is there other solutions as well, by the way? All right, might be a little tricky, I don't know. Look at this one over here. I don't know, says it's tricky, but there's a U substitution in the problem. This one over here, a pretty famous story, by the way. It appeared, I read in Common Press, by the way, and it was a funny problem. All right, I realize people they get stuck with stuff like that, but again, go through that as well. Number 8 is an integration problem. By the way, when I say that there's a footnote over this 47, um, it really was elevated in Reddit. I didn't read it there initially, by the way. I'm not a big fan of Reddit, but I think I read it in the newspaper, and then newspaper had referred to this thing as being a meme in Reddit, and I thought it was an interesting problem, by the way. It was a question given to fifth graders. All right, so this one over here, again, I go through the work. I'm pretty sure we did this work before, by the way. I also did it by Newton's method. That's in my memory of doing problems, and I'm hoping that's in the worksheet somewhere. All right. Number 2, again, the strategy is video and also written work for you. Video, written work. All right. Like I said, this one, it really doesn't look like a bad problem, but you know what? Maybe it's a lot more difficult than I expected. And going through it, you realize that I did get some solutions to the problem, like, X1, X2, X3, yada, yada, yada. And we talked through that for you. Number 3, another good example. This is a link to another guy doing a video, at least I believe it is. Yeah, it's a YouTube video. My video of it, also my work of it, all right? Again, that fifth grader problem, a little video on there, and me going through that, all right? Number 5, let's see. Yes, an integration problem, doesn't look that bad. Is that in a problem set number 5? Let me take a look at that. Yeah, it is, all right? Now, I know sometimes they say optional problems. These are optional problems I've given my students in the past, by the way. I probably should remove that wording. But anyway, let's keep moving. Wow, that's a really tough problem, isn't it? Thank you.